Let others also join quickly so that we can. Good
Good
afternoon, Samina.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mastan Ali. Good afternoon, uh, Adarsh, GDCW. Let me share the screen. Meanwhile, others are joining. Let me share the screen. All right. So let me also open the front end. This is actually backend that I am going to log in just a while. Meanwhile, I am opening the back front end also, VBIC. Sorry. Good afternoon, Venkatesh. Okay. So here we are. So if you remember, let me just quickly walk you through what we did or what we have done up till now. So we have made this website, right? And that too live in front of you. I hope you have understood how to make these pages, blogs, home page, how to design about us page, how to design the blogs, right? How to design each uh, post, contact us page, contact us form, right? And these social media icons, right? Then you must have also gone through this footer, how to design footer, and then you must also now be aware as to how to uh, embed or how to insert this WhatsApp button, right? So anybody who wants to directly chat with us, suppose this is our website, and anybody who wants to chat with us can directly click on this WhatsApp button and they can directly start communicating with us, right? So this is WhatsApp button. Okay, it helps us to quickly connect with the customer so that we can answer them, we can listen to their queries, and uh, we can answer their queries, and we can resolve their problems, right? So this is what we have done up till now, and then we also started with the SEO, right? This is the designing part that we have done, website designing part. Then the second part or the second module is your uh, SEO, search engine optimization. I told you what is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means that how we can appear on the first page of the Google, how can our website appear on the first page of the Google so that people can directly purchase some products from us or can directly read our blogs, right? So as I told you, what is the importance of the first page, and needless to repeat it again, uh, first page, everybody, even you must have also experienced it on your own, that whenever you visit Google and you search something on Google, whatever you want, you are looking for, when you type it on Google, Google gives you several results on multiple pages, right? But you usually find your answer on the first page of the Google itself. You never visit on the second or the third page of the Google. So this means that the first page has its own importance. That means people find their result on the first page itself, And this means that we have to be present on the first page of the Google, right? And this can be done through search engine optimization. So as I told you earlier also, through whiteboard, I told you that there are two types of optimization. First one is called as on-page optimization, and the second one is called as off-page optimization, right? So let me log in to the backend, and then I'll take you to the concerned things. So for on-page optimization, we have to download one plugin called Yoast SEO. Okay, let me show you where we installed it. So for installing, you have to go to add plugin, and you will find, you can search for Yoast SEO plugin, and once installed and activated, you will find it right here. Let me show you where is Yoast SEO. See here, we have this Yoast SEO plugin, right? So now once we have installed it, now we can use it to optimize our pages and our posts. So how do we do that? First of all, let's go to any page. So let's go to pages section and then all pages. All right, so here we are on the pages section. So whichever page you want to optimize, as we have done, if you remember the previous week's topics, so we optimized this page called About Us page, right? So it appears to be in green. Got it? If you want to optimize any other page, then you can optimize that page as well. For example, if I want to optimize like home page, then I can optimize it. Like, let me click on it. Let me click on it. Okay, here we are on the page optimization page. So if you can see here, it is still appearing in red. Red means that the page is not at all optimized, or it is poorly optimized, right? So this means that we need to work on it. We have to make the page optimized so that user can this thing, Google can optimize the page, and they can show our page on the first page of the Google, okay, to the people whoever is looking for either BBIC, or whoever is looking for like sports blog or any other political blog. Then they can, the Google will show up our website. Okay, so here, this is our home page. So we have to first of all see, you can see here home one. So we can, let me just check one more time. Let me check. Okay, so this is our home page. Yes, that is right. Okay, fine. Now either uh, you can do the SEO from here itself. That is, see on the left hand side, you can find this Yoast SEO. Okay, you can click on it, and then you can see the SEO analysis. First of all, you have to insert any focus key phrase. Focus key phrase means the focus or the keyword which will optimize your page. So if anybody is looking for BBIC, then our page will appear. Our home page should appear. Okay. So let me insert like BBIC. Okay. And this vertical pipe. Then we can write home. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now we have written our focus keyword, that is BBIC home. So this means that this is this uh, whatever page we are optimizing is about BBIC and BBIC's home page, right? So I hope this is clear to you. In case you find any problems or you want to ask anything, you can always raise your hand so that um, you can thereafter ask any of your queries. Okay. You are open to ask any queries whenever you feel like. In between, if you are not understanding anything, you can always raise your hand and let me know so that I can listen to your query and I can explain it one more time. Okay. All right. Having said that, let's move on. We have inserted the focus keyword. Focus keyword is the main keyword of your page, which will optimize your page as per the Google parameters. Okay. So let's see now. So see, you if you can see here, there are a lot of pointers which are still appearing in red. Okay. We have to make them all green as we did in the case of about us page. Now you can see there are certain green pointers also. That means these are good to go and these are just perfect from the SEO point of view. Okay. You don't need to make any changes in these green pointers. So let's move up and see. So it says key phrase in image alt attribute. So you have to fix that. So image alt attribute means that wherever you have inserted the images, right, you have to also write the content. What this image is all about. Okay. So you can write customized caption, not caption. Actually, it is it is Salman, is there anything you want to ask? Okay.
Once again, repeat, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me repeat it one more time. So let me go back. Let me go back and then I'll tell you again. For example, we are on the home page. Okay. This home page will appear like this. You will come to know that on which page you are on. Okay. Then you can click on uh, edit with Elementor, or you can directly go down and see for the these things, Yoast SEO. Okay. Just a minute. So let me edit with Elementor. When you click on edit with Elementor, Elementor starts loading. Elementor is a page builder which helps you build your page beautifully. Okay. Now here, when you edit with when you click on edit with Elementor, you will find on the left hand side Yoast SEO, right? Click on it. Then you will find here, first of all, focus key phrase. Focus key phrase means focus keyword which you want to use throughout the page, or which you want Google to highlight. Okay, like BBIC. Then you can put a vertical pipe and then home, like this. Okay, so this will make Google understand that your page is about home, BBIC. This is the company name. Okay, this is our company name, and then in under the company name we are optimizing the home page. Okay, so now once we have written the focus keyword, then we have to optimize these things. So click on it, and then let me expand it. Yes, and then we can go at the bottom and we can see key phrases in the image alt text. That means wherever you have inserted the image, you have to also optimize it. That means I'll tell you this point at the end. Okay, there is some reason, and due to this I'll tell you at the end. Okay, now next one, it is um, text length. So text length says that it contains 174 words. This is far below the recommended of 300 words. As I told you in the previous, when we were optimizing the previous page, that is about us page, we found that the minimum length of the page should be 300 words. Okay, the content should be 300 words long, but here the content has only 174 words. I don't know which content are they referring to. Let me see. Okay, so according to them, there is a short of content. So what we can do for now, we can just increase this content over and copy and paste this content over and again, so that just to increase the length. Okay, just to show you how you have to increase how you have to write. So text means all the content from top to bottom, whatever content you have written, that they are saying the text length should be of 300 words. Okay, it can be anything more than that, but it should not be less than that. Okay, so how to correct it? Again, go to any text, whichever you want to increase. So let me increase this text. So click on it, this pencil button, click on this pencil button. The text will appear on the left hand side. For now, what am I doing? I am just copying this text again, Control C, and again I am pasting it in the next paragraph. Okay, Control V, just to increase the length of this content. Got it? Again, I am doing it one more time. Okay. So I think it would have got. Okay. So now what we can do? We can publish it. Okay. All right. Now let's check out whether whether everything is correct or not. Okay. Let me go back. Okay, so Elementor has started loading. All right, so let's get back to Yoast SEO. Okay, and let's see if this has got green or not. Text length. Okay, let's check out. Uh, no, it is still not corrected. Add more content. I don't know where is the problem. Okay, let me do it the other way. I think there is some problem over here. Okay. So again, I'm clicking on this homepage one. All right, let's go down like this. All right, and then we have inserted this keyword. Okay, and then let's go down. Okay, first of all, we have to change the SEO title. Before moving down, we have to change the SEO title. Okay, so for changing the SEO title, we have to write the same. First of all, we have to use the key phrase at every place. Okay, like this. In the SEO title also, you have to write this thing, the keyword, and then you can write anything that you want. But in case of the home page, you don't usually write anything else because it is just a title of the page. Okay, plug will automatically appear. You don't have to make any changes in this. Okay, so this is slug. And now meta description. So meta description is a short description, as I told you earlier also, that it is a short description which appears just below your uh, below your SEO title. Let me show you how. uh, like anything like okay, let me search. So for example, our website is appearing over here, right? This is our website, and this uh, this is the SEO. This is the SEO title. This is the website. Okay, this is the SEO title. Okay, and this is the meta description. Meta description means the small description, brief description of this title. That means what this page is all about. Okay, or what this website is all about. And there you will find a small read more button. Okay, similarly here you have something like uh, any other, let's see, any other thing, like exotic India art. So this is the website name. There is some other website called exotic India art. So this is the website. This is the SEO title, and below is the SEO meta description. So now I hope you have understood what SEO title means and what meta description means. Okay, so one more thing to be considered, to be noted, is that both SEO title as well as meta description should always contain the keyword. Okay, the same keyword as you inserted on the top, that is on the focus keyword, this one. Okay, focus key phrase. This a keyword should always appear in the title also, and also in the meta description, and try to make it in the beginning only. Okay, then you can give a hyphen and you can write about our company. Okay, let me take some text from about us page. So like this, we are a technology driven edutech company. So like this. So I am taking this much of text, Control C, and here Control V. Now, if you can see that the text, the words have been overwritten. That means we have to decrease the length of our text so that this orange line turns to green. Okay, let me decrease the length. Let me check. Okay, so here we are. So that means this much of the text we have to write so that it is optimized. When you see this green bar, that means your text is optimized now. You don't have to write uh, more than this bar. You can see, you can write one or two extra words till it reaches here. So your text should not turn into orange like this. For example, I write this, so it is turning to orange, which we don't want. We have to optimize it, so we have to stick within the word limit. So let me remove all these things. So now you can see that this is our perfect title or meta description. In meta description, we have inserted the keyword also. Okay, and we have written the content or the text as per the rules of the Google meta description rules. Okay, so that means this is also now green. So you can see here, keep observing this emoji. Earlier it was red, now it has turned to green. Okay, great. Now let's turn back somewhere. See, most of the more when you make some some changes, most of the pointers will turn to green. If you just recall, when we opened this page, most of the pointers were red, right? And now most of the pointers have turned to green. Only few pointers, we have to make changes in few pointers that we'll make just in just a while. Okay, as I told you, this one I'll tell you at the end. Meanwhile, let's change the headings and subheadings. H2, H3 means there are headings and subheadings. H1 indicates the main heading, and H2, H3, H4, H5 till H9 are the subheadings. You can put this many subheadings in your one page. Subheadings may mean like point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, and then you can write another headlines. Okay, that is called as subheadings. So H2 to H9 are your subheadings, and H1 is your main heading. For example, this is your title. This can be called as H1. Okay, this is your H1 main heading. And when you start writing subtopics like this, VBIC, be it at its best, like this, 1, 2, 3. So this will become your H1, H2, and H3. This is H3, okay, and this is your H2. Okay, you can write some title on it, and this is your H1. Now let me. I don't know how to write H2s and H3s, so I'll take help of Chat GPT. I hope you know something about Chat GPT. You must be aware of about Chat GPT. Lakshman, please mute yourself. Okay. So let's go to Chat GPT. Okay. I'm just for telling you how to write some subheadings. I'm writing some content. So I'll give some command, or you can call it as prompt. When you give command to Chat GPT, it is called as prompt. Okay. So let me type something like, I have a blog website. Okay. See how I'm writing. You have to observe the way I am writing, or I am giving instructions to Chat GPT. Okay. I have a blog website. I want to write a content for my home page. Okay. Home page. Okay. Give me a content of uh, say 300 to 350 words. The content should be divided into H headings, into subheadings from H2 to H5. Say like this. Okay. Use the keyword home. Sorry, what was the keyword? BBIC home. At least 3 times in the whole content. Okay. It should look natural and not stuffed. Okay. Also, the sentences should be small and easy to read. As per Google guidelines. Okay. So see how I have given. You have to be very, very cautious, and you have to note it down, or you can make a note of it, that how I have given it a prompt. This is very important. So Chat GPT can do wonders to you. It is only how you give prompt to Chat GPT. Okay. So you can do from anything to everything with Chat GPT, but if you give a bad prompt to Chat GPT, it will give you a bad result. I mean, it will not give you a satisfactory result. But if you explain to Chat GPT what you are actually looking for, okay, give Chat GPT a background of for what you are looking for, or for what purpose you are looking for, then chat gpt can do wonders to you, for you. Okay. So I have written that I have a blog website. So I am guiding chat gpt that I have a blog website for which I want some content. So I want to write a content for my home page. So I have further guided ChatGPT that I want to write, or I am looking for writing a content for my home page. Give me a content of 300 to 350 words, because you see, when we were optimizing, it gave us an error that your content is less than 300 words. So we want to write the content in 300 to maybe 500 words also you can write. But for now, I'm just giving it 300 to 350 words. Okay. The content should be divided into headings and subheadings from H2 to H5. So because we have already given it a heading, home page, so that is your H1. Now remaining are H2 to H5. So these have to be given, so that our this pointer should also turn into green. Okay. This is why I have given the command. Now I also want to use the keyword. Mind it that if you don't use keyword in your content, your page will not at all going to get optimized. All right. It will no matter whatever you do, but if you don't use keyword on in your content is not going to get optimized, and it is not going to appear on the first page of the Google at all. So the important thing is to use the keyword. And what is the keyword? Here we have selected the keyword as BBIC, vertical pipe home. Okay. And you should use the rule is that you should use 30% times sorry, not 30%, 3% of your whole content. So if you are writing content of 300 words, then you should at least write it 3 times. All right. In the whole content, it should, although it comes out to uh, uh, it should look natural, and it should not be stuffed. Okay. It should not be stuffed. Also, the sentences should be small and easy to read as per the Google's guidelines. Got it? So uh, so now let me give it a hit and see what it gives you. Let the content appear. Okay. So now the content has appeared in front of you. So this is the content. Okay. Welcome to BBIC. What you will do, what you will find here: topics, uh, why why BBIC home is different, our content philosophy, start exploring today. So this is the content that we have generated. So now if you are satisfied, then you can copy this content from here. If you are not satisfied, you can again ask it to modify. Okay. So let me copy it for one more time, and let's paste it here. Uh, let me see. Let me see. Let me duplicate it first of all. Let me click on this, edit with Elementor. And then now I'll change the whole content. Okay, here we are. Let me reduce it. Yes. So here we are. So let's uh, okay. So let's change this because we copied it 2-3 times. So let me change this. Okay. Let me delete everything. So here it is. And now I'm going to paste the content that that we have just copied. Okay. Okay. Just to show you how you have to write the content. Actually, it is not appearing fine. It is not appearing good. The appearance is not good. Let me tell you. Okay. But just to make you understand how the SEO will work, for that reason, I am doing it. Okay. So again, let it publish. Okay, fine. Now it is published. So let's go back again and see if things have changed a little bit or not. Uh, Still not. It is changed. Let me see. Or else it may take some time. It will change automatically. Okay. If you see after some time, it will be automatically changed. Okay. Let me save it one more time and see. Let it save and see if some changes have occurred or not. If not, then we'll make some more changes. Okay. So as we can see that this uh, as we can see that this has not yet changed. Okay. So what to do? So go back to your content again and then just write some more content. That means I am copying a part from chat gpt. I have copied this part from chat gpt. Okay. And I am using this content over here. Okay. In the first paragraph, like this. If you can see, this is the first paragraph. So let me put it here. So let me first insert it. Okay. Like this. Now publish it. And let me check if things have improved or not. And if there's still don't improve, then we have to wait for some time. Okay, it will change automatically. Okay. Let me go down. So it has not yet changed. There's some problem, I think. I'll have to check this out, or otherwise we'll look into it in just a while. Okay. Then it has key phrase density. So it says that the key phrase was found 0 times less than the recommended of minimum 2 times for the text length. Okay, so that means you have to use the, although we have used, I don't know why it is not appearing, but still I'll we have already inserted the keyword. So this is the thing that I was telling, and I knew it, and that is the reason why I already give chat gpt a prompt that you should use the keyword at least 3 times. Okay, minimum is 2 times, but I have directed it to give us for 3 times. Okay, so I have already given it, and the chat gpt has also given the content accordingly. Okay, now the third one is key phrase in the introduction. Your key phrase or its synonyms are not appearing in the introductory paragraph, but we have inserted it in our introductory paragraph. So this, see here, BBIC. So we have already used it, but I don't know why is it not appearing. Okay. So overall, this has turned to green. So this is it. And now I told you that I'll tell you this key phrase in alt attribute later on. So now I'll tell you. So wherever you are inserting the image, okay, mind it that whenever you are inserting an image, for example, let me tell you. For example, let me change this image. Okay. Uh, Let me delete it, and I'll choose it one more time. For example, this. Okay, I have chosen this image. Now you see on the right hand side, this is alt text. This is what they are referring to. Okay, let me go down back again and show you what they are asking. They are asking you the key phrase in the image alt attribute. So images on this page do not have any alt attributes with less than half the keywords. Okay. So what do we have to do? We have to, whenever you are inserting an image, you have to insert the alt text. Alt text means alternative text, that what is this image all about? Because there are free some people who are who cannot see the world, okay, who are visually challenged. So for those people, uh, we have to, they understand the images, they visualize the images in their mind just by looking at the, or just by their fingers, and they come to know about, they hear about alt text. What is this alt text about? Okay, so let me write it. BBIC, vertical pipe, home. Got it? So now title, title is home. Okay. And you can write caption or description, or you can even leave it. Okay. Now select it. That's it. Okay. Now publish it. Okay. Now just go back again on this page and just save it and refresh it and see if this change has got uh, converted into green or not. Okay. I don't know what is the problem. These three pointers are not changing. Maybe we have to wait for some time and then they will automatically convert into green. Okay. So let's go back. First of all, let it save. Okay. Go back. And here, if you can see your home page 1. So now you can see home page 1. Okay. Go straight and you can see both the readable, this green dot indicates readability. It indicates good. And this is your SEO score. This is also good. You can see on the top, this is your SEO score. All the red dots on the left shows SEO score, and dots on the right hand side shows your readability score. Readability score indicates that how easy or how difficult is your content for reading for the users or for the audience, for the readers. Whoever is reading your content, is it easy for them to read whole content of yours, or do they have to carry a dictionary with them to understand the meaning of the words that you have used? Okay, so don't try to use difficult English in your content. Use simple words, simple sentences, and less complicated sentences in your content so that user can easily read and easily understand your content. I hope that makes sense and you have understood how to make changes. Let me check out one more time if it has improved. No, I think we have to wait for some more time. So key phrases in, let me tell you how these will improve. Key phrases in introduction. This means that whenever you are writing your content for the home page, uh, in the first paragraph itself, your keyword should appear. Okay, make sure and make it a note that you have to use the keyword which I have already used, but I don't know why it is not uh, embedding in it. So you have to use this keyword in the beginning of your paragraph, first paragraph, and also at least 2 to 3 times in the whole content. So just like this, I have used it 1 time, then 2 times, and then maybe one more time I have used it. Uh, okay. So these are the 2 times. Okay, I copied the content now. Okay, so I have used this content, this keyword for 2 times, right? So this is done. Key phrase in the introduction. So you have key phrase in the introduction means that whenever you are starting, you start writing the content on your home page. in the first line in itself, you have to use the keyword. Whatever keyword you have chosen, you have to use it. Then key phrase density. Key phrase density means how many times you are using the keywords. So you have to use at least 2 to 3 times. That also we have already done. And key phrase in subheadings. So that means you have to use those keywords, whichever keyword you have selected. Like we have selected the keyword BBIC, vertical pipe, home. Okay. So this keyword should also appear in your H2 and H3s. Okay. This means that you're in this. See, everywhere it is appearing. Everywhere it is appearing. See this one in the first paragraph, second paragraph. Okay. In each paragraph, it is appearing. Okay. So here also it is appearing. So in almost every paragraph, it is appearing. See, here also it is appearing. So that means you have to make use uh, of your keywords in your subheadings also. Okay. And image alt attribute, I have just told you how to change the image alt attribute. That means whenever you are inserting an image, I am telling you one more time that whenever, suppose I want to change this image or I want to insert image here. Okay. So let's remove this image so choose an image. Okay. Let's choose an image. And here, whenever you choose any image, then you will find on the right hand side alt text. Okay. This is alt text. Alt text is usually for the visually challenged people who can make out what this image is all about, because they can't see the image. So they will make out that what this image could be about. Okay. So for them, we have to write this alt text. Also, sometimes what happens that the text, the image takes time in loading. Okay. Image takes, because of the poor internet speed, the image takes a lot of time in loading. So meanwhile, this alt text will appear, which will tell you that what this image is about. I hope this is clear to you. Then you have title. If you want, you can write it, or else you can leave it blank also. Description also, and then save it. Okay. So this is about alt text. Once all the changes are done, you can publish it. Okay. When all the changes are done and published, you should also save it here also. All right. So this, they should get turned into green, but I think there is some problem. So we'll check out after some time whether it has turned to green or not. All right. So till now they are not. No worries. We'll check them out later on. So this is about on-page SEO. There are certain additional features which are in the premium version. Premium version means that you have to take a premium version, or you have to pay for it to get additional features. Okay. Like this. Now you can also track the SEO performance. Okay. You have to connect it with the venture, and you can track how your keyword is performing. Got it? So these are some of the premium features. See, these are the premium features. If you take the premium version, only then you will be able to use these features. Okay. Then you have insights. So they are saying that you have to get Yoast SEO Premium to enjoy these services. I hope on-page SEO is clear to you. Do you have any questions? Is there any question? Anybody who wants to ask any question? Okay, Adarsh. Okay, both the Adarsh. Okay, Devyani. Anil. Okay. No problem if you don't have any questions, but I hope you are getting things clear. Are you finding any difficulty in understanding? Do let me know if you are having any troubles in understanding, or if I am able to make you understand, or if I am not able to make you understand the concepts. Do let me know so that I can try to improve myself. I can tell you in a better way. I can try to uh, tell you in a better way. Okay. Okay, no problem. So we'll meet tomorrow. And okay, Mustan. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to see further what we have to do. That is uh, uh, Google Search Console. Tomorrow's topic will be Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Okay, that will be the topic for tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Thanks for joining. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.